In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce support case using Agentforce Chat. We'll start at help.salesforce.com. Open your browser, go to the site, and select Contact Support. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Trailblazer account so Salesforce can connect your request to the right profile and permissions. Being signed in ensures you can see your organizations and lets support route your case correctly. Once you're in, look for the Help icon, the small question mark in the corner, or head to the Get Support section. Both paths lead you to the same place, where you can open a chat with Agentforce. This chat is your guided assistant for creating cases, and it's the fastest way to get your issue recorded with the right details. When the Agentforce chat opens, type Create a Case. This tells the assistant you're ready to open a formal support ticket. If you manage multiple orgs or sandboxes, you may be prompted to choose your organization or environment. Pick the one where the issue is occurring to help support pinpoint the problem faster. Next, Agentforce will ask for details about your issue. Be clear and specific. Include a brief summary, what you expected versus what actually happened, any recent changes, the product area impacted, and the scope of impact. If you have error messages, include the exact text, and if possible, add steps to reproduce. Avoid sharing sensitive information. The more precise your description, the fewer back and forth questions you'll have later. Agentforce Help will then generate a summary of your issue and the case details it plans to submit. This is your review checkpoint. Read it carefully to make sure the affected org, the description, and the impact are all accurate. If something is off, correct it in the chat so the final case reflects your situation. When everything looks right, type Yes to confirm. This approval tells Agentforce to create the support case on your behalf. Within a moment, your case is created and you'll see a confirmation with a link. Click the link to track or update your case. From there, you can monitor status changes, add comments, upload relevant logs or screenshots, and respond to any questions from support. Keep an eye on notifications so you don't miss requests for more information. If your situation evolves, update the case promptly to ensure prioritization stays aligned with your current impact. That's it. You've created a Salesforce support case using Agentforce Chat and know how to track and update it effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get faster resolutions.